Today we're launching something new for anyone who is trying to grow their business with videos. While most companies agree that content creation, especially on videos, is essential for their businesses, however, almost nobody knows how actually videos work, like what video formats there are, how to get views, and what tools to use, etc. There's just so much scattered advice online about how to go viral or building a personal brand, but almost nothing that gives businesses a clear start-to-finish system. So we took what has worked across thousands of users and turned it into a playbook. And it's for free. Introducing the Jupyter B2B Video Content Playbook. It has 7 short chapters covering the whole journey from top-level strategy to content ideas, scripting, filming, and editing. Every chapter comes with examples and template AI prompts that you can just copy and apply straight into ChatGPT. The goal is simple, is to help you plan and create videos that generates exposure and turn the videos into a lead generation machine. If you're interested, comment playbook below so I can share the link directly into your DM.